Stock market today. Dow falls on tech wreck as yields hitch ride on inflation wave. The Dow on Friday suffered its biggest weekly sell-off as an unexpected step-up inside the tempo of inflation dispatched Treasury yields surging and positioned the screws on growth sectors of the financial system amid bets for more aggressive Federal Reserve rate hikes. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 2.7%, or 880 factors. The Nasdaq turned into down 3.5%. The S&P 500 fell 2.9%. The Consumer Fee Index rose 1% in May, above expectancies for a 0.7% boom, taking the year-on-year patron costs through May to 8.6%, its fastest feed due to the fact 1981 and above economists' forecasts of 8.3%. In an annoying signal for the Fed, the elements pushing inflation above clean 40-year highs are broadening beyond simply supply chain issues, with safe haven, meals and fuel leading the profits. The Federal Reserve is dedicated to reducing demand to satisfy a supply-constrained international. This inflation studying will improve that solve, Yelena Malayev, economist at Grant Thornton stated in a Be Aware. Treasury yields jumped on bets that the Fed will be pressured to supply 50 basis points at each of the subsequent three conferences, setting boom sectors of the marketplace consisting of tech, which are vulnerable to rising fees, at the back foot. Apple, Nasdaq, AAPL, turned into down more than 3%, whilst Meta Platforms, Nasdaq, Meta, and Microsoft, Nasdaq, MSFT, fell 4%. Main the losses in big tech. Consumer discretionary also performed a huge role in sell-off, led by way of tour and entertainment stocks on fears that red-hot inflation will place a similarly squeeze on client spending. Caesars Entertainment, Nasdaq, CZR, Royal Caribbean, NYSE, RCL, MGM Resorts, NYSE, MGM, and Booking, Nasdaq, BKNG, had been amongst the biggest losers in the sector. The pace of purchaser spending is going to slow. We've already seen that within the picks they may be making, chief strategist at Spouting Rock Asset Management Reese Williams instructed in an interview on Friday. There's been a few anecdotes that even on offerings like cruises, call for is down for next 12 months, Williams added. People are a touch bit shocked by using how a good deal things price. Financials have been pushed decrease with the aid of banks as the Treasury yield curve continued to flatten on bets of a capacity recession beforehand. Signature Bank, Nasdaq, SBNY, Capital One Financial, NYSE, COF, and Synchrony Financial, NYSE, SYF, slumped with the latter, which is sensitive to cryptocurrency, additionally struggling added pressure from a rout in crypto. Bitcoin fell greater than 2%, whilst Ethereum fell greater than 6% to a 52-week low.